we have to find value of x. We have given that this ray and that segment, they are perpendicular, and that ray and that segment are perpendicular. So let me put that here. We have K, L, M, N points. So ray LK is perpendicular to NK segment because we have a square, and LM ray is perpendicular to NM segment. So we have also that segments NK and NM are congruent. NK is congruent to NM. So it means that NK is equal to NM. So now we can use converse of the angle bisector theorem. If we have given this information that this segment is perpendicular to this ray and that segment to that ray, and these two segments are congruent, so by the converse of the angle bisector theorem, we have that ray LN bisects angle KLM. So if LN bisects KLM angle, it means that measure of angle KLN is equal to measure of angle MLN. So these two angles, they are given by these expressions. So we can substitute left side by 12x minus 10 degrees is equal 4x plus 6 degrees. Let's forget about degrees. So we have 12x minus 10 is equal 4x plus 6. Now I will move 4x to the left side, so we will have 12x minus 4x is equal 6, and negative 10 I will move to the right side, so it will be plus 10. 12 minus 4 is 8x is equal 16. Now I will divide both sides by 8. 8 and 8 we can reduce, and we have that x is equal to. We found value of x. This is my solution.